Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video premiere. We'll be discussing about Finland scholarships at Aalto University, how to apply for master scholarship in Finland for session 2026-2027. For international students, we'll show you the full process, how do we apply, how to visit the website. Before that, let me remind you, subscribe our YouTube channel Full Scholarships. If you are new here for the first time and not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. If you already have subscribed, do uh, press the bell notification icon so that you can receive the scholarship updates. Also, follow us on Instagram page. Our username is Full Scholarships, and all scholarships are published here. The link for this fully funded study in Finland scholarship is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are in the respective videos uh, in their descriptions. Respective description of the video, there is link for each of the scholarship that you are watching, or in the about section of the YouTube, you can see links are given there, or you can directly visit our website fullscholarships.net or cashmanlook.com. Once you visit our website, you can apply for this particular scholarship. Host country is Finland. It's a part of European Union, and you can study your masters there. All countries are eligible. It's a fully funded scholarship. Deadline is January 2, 2026. So second Jan is the deadline for this opportunity. Aalto University Scholarship. They offering tuition fee waivers, and if you're interested in pursuing a master's in art and design, business and economics, or technology and engineering, you can apply to the Aalto University, and you can consider yourself for this scholarship. Be a non EU citizen, European citizen for the requirement, and English language proficiency. Previously studied your bachelor's in English language. Apply for eligible master degree programs that are listed above, and submit application before deadline. That's second Jan, and you can get up to 100% of scholarship for category and up to 50% for category B of the tuition fee scholarship. Available programs: art and design, masters of arts, masters of science economics and business administration, and masters of science technology, or a masters of science architecture, or masters of science landscape architecture. So how do you apply? You visit the website here and apply for a 2 years master's program, and submit the application before deadline at 2nd Jan, and your results will be published in April 2026, so that you can accept the offer by 29th of April 2026. So now, in order to start application, you can click on this link here. So click on this link. Once you click on that, you can see apply to master's program, and this is the official Aalto University website. You can see table of contents. Deadline application period starts from 1st of December. We are the first on the YouTube to bring you this opportunity in Finland. So deadline will close on 2nd of Jan, and likewise study options. Each program detail is given here. So how to apply section is given here, so you can check out all the details. And now you have to click on this fill in and submit your application form during the application period. So click on this plus sign here, and you can see application form link is given here, studyinfo.fe. So you have to click on this link here. So click on this link. Once you click on that link, it will take you to this website here. For the first time users, you have to click on this continue without logging in. So click on this, and now you have to check application instructions. So first click on add study program here. So you can see different programs of 2 years are listed here, and you can remember to submit the programs that you can see before you choose your study. You can find the programs. So we already have listed the programs here. You can see masters of arts in art and design. Likewise, any of the programs masters of arts, you can see, we'll click on this here, and it has been added to our program. Now you can see, if you wish to add a study program, add more programs, you can add rest. We can start the personal information with the name and last name. Then you have to submit the identity, that's the nationality. Do you have Finnish personality identity code? No, we do not have. Then now date of birth, then select the gender, place in country of birth, and passport number. Then national ID number, if you have, you can submit this. Else you can just submit the email. You have complete the email part. So rewrite your email here. It should be same. So we have done this one. Enter phone number. Then select the country of residence. Then address, postcode and city and country. And select a native language here. Choose the language you speak. Prefer English. Contact information, select English. And I do not have any of the below, and I have a type A contents residence permit in Finland. So you have to read all these sections, and you have to mention EU residence permit for third country citizen with long term residence permit. So you have to permanent residence permit card in Finland, permanent residence card on based on the temporary. So you can see I do not have, and I have to select first option. Now you have to upload your copy of your passport here. So let me upload a copy of passport so that we can submit this application. And here I will submit that. I uploaded. You can see uploading done. Have you completed general upper secondary or vocational qualification? You have to mention yes. Select the country you have completed. Then degree granting eligibility to apply. So you can see bachelor's degree completed outside of this. So you have to mention degree level. So you have to mention bachelor's. Then so we'll mention the nomenclature BSc. Name of the degree in English. So you can mention Bachelor's of Science. Official name of the university. You can mention university name and name of the institution in English. So same we have mentioned same both times. Then country where it was awarded or institution located. Have you completed degree? Yes. Degree. Mention the dates. And duration of the degree. Year of the date you began, and then the student or roll number of that institution or admission or registration number of that. Then major subject, language of instruction, then CGPA, state you can mention that, street address, postcode, city of the institution, and email address of the registrar, official website of the institution. Then degree certificate you have to attach here. So I'll just submit that. Transcripts, mention transcripts. You have other degrees, you can mention that. Have you studied or studying at? So we are not. So which uh, type of proficiency you have? So you can mention I have earned masters, I have earned bachelors, or any of these listed here. So you can mention that. So whatever is your English proficiency, you have to justify. So you can see you have to select any of this. and I already have completed in English language. I'll just submit a random certificate here. So you have to submit your English proficiency certificate. If your degree mentions, then now study option specific documents. First option, see the study option specific document on the website. Here you can see your option. So you can filter your degrees here. So we have only one option. We'll just submit one of the image here. Also, Aalto University Excellence Scholarship application for. So you can see study programs. We have submitted this. So you can click on yes, I want to apply. Applying through agent. So no, we are not. Accept terms. Make my contact information. Select yes. Agree to terms and conditions. Now we are ready to this application submission. You can see we can click on preview, and you can see our application is ready almost. So you can click on submit application. Your application is being sent. Your application has been received. Confirmation email will be sent to you. So our email has been sent as well. Just I'll show the email. You can see application received with the application number, and also second email, pay reminder to pay fee by this. There might be some application fee for some. You can see application fee of €100. So all those who are not E or EU citizens or citizen resident do not qualify for an exemption from the application fee. So you need to. So non-Europeans must pay the application fee of €100 for this application. So in one single application, you submitted admission application for masters as well as scholarship application. I hope you enjoyed the session. If you have doubts in choosing program, how to select a degree, which document to upload, you have confusions in this, no need to worry at all. Just drop the comment below the video, or our team will reply there, or you can directly message our team on Instagram. But do remember to subscribe before commenting, or do remember to follow before messaging us on Instagram. Easiest way to reach us to clear your doubt is our website fullscholarships.net. Everything is there. You can answer. Our team can answer you their questions, or you can find any other scholarships that you wish to apply. I hope this is enough for today. If you enjoyed the session, please like this video, share this video with your friends who wish to study in Finland. And with this, I'm signing off for today. Have a nice day ahead.